Look at where the gold level is on the 4 hour. Can you guys see it? Here, 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 right there, and right here. You see it? That's a big level, right?
Yes, sir.
And you're
Mhm.
talking about, think about it. This is from June to basically we're almost into October. So what does that mean to us? Well, why is that such a big deal, coach? Well, because if it stays below there, that's very bearish for today, right? Because today, this is a huge sign. You're going to probably see if Tesla doesn't just come right out and just get its guts ripped out, you're going to probably see 241 a couple times today because of this. No other reason other than this. And if you look back, the reason it got like this is because when it came up and it pulled back, it created something in a trader's mind here. It came up, it pulled back, it did it again. Now all traders are paying attention. So every time it touches this level, people are really paying attention to it. Okay. The only thing
Yes,
that
sir.
gives this stuff weight is the fact that all other traders, right, are looking at it. That's the only thing that gives any of this weight. Otherwise, this is just a chart with a bunch of lines, right?